Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White. I just started a terrible video for you and I'm restarting. We're on lesson number 116 and it looks like this. Make sure your name is on it and we're going to get started on our spelling sounds. Number 1 is S. That can be spelled S, C, or as a final sound SS, SE, or CE. Number 2 is AW, and that can be spelled AU or as a final sound AW. Number 3 we have that's ER. Number 4 we have OR, that's OR. Number 5 we have I, so I consonant E, comma I, or as a final sound Y. Number 6 we have QU, that's QU. Number 7 we have OI, that's OI, or as a final sound OY. Number 8 we have E, that's EE, comma E, or as a final sound EE, comma Y. Miss White cannot write today. I don't know what's going on. Number 9 we have K, so that could be K, comma C, or as a final sound CK, KE, K, or C. That's it, right? And number 10, R, A-R. All right, make sure you have those 10 written down. We're going to move on to spell a couple of words. Find number 11 on your worksheet. We are going to spell the word saw. Number 11, S. And then that aw at the end is a W. Number 12, we're going to spell draw. Same thing. D, and then aw for that final sound. Make sure you have those two down, and then we're going to learn about a new trigraph, and how to spell with it. Let's look at the words patch, catch, and itch. What do you hear as the final sound in those words? Patch, catch, and itch. It's that ch sound. But what do you notice that's different from the ch sound we already learned about? It's spelled with a TCH, isn't it? This is called digraph TCH, and when we code this, we cross off the T because we can't really hear it. We just hear a ch sound. But we need that T in there. Do you know what else? What else can you notice about those words? Pa-a-ach, ka-a-ach, it-itch. Those are short vowel sounds before the TCH. We can also spell with just CH. If we're spelling a word in the beginning like cheese, we're going to just spell it CH. We're not going to spell TCH. That would be kind of weird. But sometimes CH comes at the end of a word or in the middle, and we spell it differently. So let's look at this word. We have purchase. Here our CH comes after a consonant. So usually, or let's see, we have couch. And let's look at like perch. So often our just CH comes after a consonant, a diphthong, or a combination. So when it does that, we just use the CH. So that's how we kind of decide which way we're going to spell. All right. Let's practice spelling a couple of words. We're going to spell catch, which we've already spelled. But we're going to spell it again. On number 13, what are we doing? Let me look at the worksheet really quick. I always skip number 13. I don't know if you guys notice. Okay. So now, when we're doing letter sounds and I say ch, we could say, so for number 13, we could say CH, or as a final sound, CH, comma, TCH. Because those are the two different ways that we can spell it, right? All right. Let's move on to number 14. Number 14, we are going to spell catch. We already talked about this. And then because we have that ah sound, we know we're going to do T-C-H, catch. Number 15, we're going to spell itch. We already spelled these right. T-ch, itch. And we're going to spell that C-H because we had the I sound. And number 16, we're going to spell matches. Again, so we're going to do the T-C-H and then as, E-S. All right, make sure you have those 3 down before we move on to coding. Okay. Number 17 is patch. Again, we code that TCH, we underline the whole thing, it's a trigraph, but we cross off the T because we don't say it. And then we've talked about how generally, when it's the TCH, the A gets the brev, it makes the short vowel sound. Number 18 is crutches. We're going to box off that ES suffix. We're going to underline our trigraph and cross off our T, and then our U gets a brev. Number 19 is switchboard. Switchboard is a compound word. It is 2 words we added together. It is a big word. Holy smoly. All right, so we're going to draw a line in between those 2. We're going to underline our trigraph, cross off our T. We know our I gets the brev. Then we're going to underline our OA, and we're going to mark off our A, and our O gets a macron. Number 20, we have scratching, another big word. We're going to box off our suffix ing, underline our trigraph, cross off the T in our trigraph, and our A gets a brev. 21 is hutch. Underline our trigraph, our T gets crossed off, our U gets a brev, and now you're going to draw a line from the word that matches the picture over to the right. Alrighty, let's move on. Number 22, teaspoon. Teaspoon is also a compound word. Tea and spoon, 2 different words that equal 1. We're going to underline our OO digraph. We're going to underline our EA digraph, and it's T, so we cross off the A, the E gets a macron. 23 is preaching. We are going to box off our ing suffix. We're going to underline our CH digraph in our EA one, and it's preaching, so we're going to cross off the A, and the E gets a macron. 24 is drowned. I'm going to box off our ED suffix. We have our OW diphthong, and that's all we're doing with that one. 25, bugle. Remember how we talked about a bugle, how it's a when we did that final stable syllable, GLE, how a bugle is like a trumpet, kind of like a horn. And then our U gets a macron. And 26 is loading. Our OA, our A gets marked off, our O gets a macron. All right, go ahead and draw a line over to the picture that matches one of these words. And we're going to move on and look at the back of our worksheet. Whew, no sentences. I'm sure you're happy. You're going to read the paragraph and answer the questions, and then read over the sight words to be sure that you know them. And I'll see you on the next video.